tractors.
So good. Well, I'm just delighted you guys are in the show and can't wait to see how it pans out for you tomorrow evening.
We're just happy to be here. Really excited. Just so happy. We always say every poll we go to, if we can just finish in the top half of the class, we feel like it was a good night. The fact that we got in the final, we're really happy. We're real happy for James Easy. We pull with him all summer long.
I believe so. I wasn't there this year, but I believe you're right. I saw him in other places on the tour, but I wasn't up there.
Make it sing, Cody. Make it sing. This tractor will be in Gordyville, right? This runs Grand National.
I believe so, yes. I haven't talked to them about the plans, but I'm assuming that's what they'll do. Okay, I was going to say, I believe Brian Sherman had it. That's when he had like 11. Yeah, he had the super and the mod.
Mr. Sherman. All right, we still got that beautiful 1206 of Cody Shea still sitting on top. The King of Deers is going to try to change that right now. You can just see the momentum roll away with those two big hops. Real unfortunate there before the hop and the Deers, but we can see that beautiful first spot there. We're talking about.
Let's get behind her. Gordyville, Hillsboro, Illinois. Working on that indoor building for the Farmer Senior Show.
Meadows. Looks like we have different 20 supercars for the next class here.
That's right. And then we'll round it out with the two finals.
95 hot farm race and 11 go farms.
That's right.
At 230. Tim Sidney with Matt Nasty at 6 at 229. Gold medal jacket in 7 to 224. Gear greens in 8 to 222. All eyes right now on the starting line. Corey Roberts out of Gordyville, Illinois. Any Corey Roberts fans here? He didn't even have to put it on the trailer. He drove it to the Gordyville. Down here, 44-30. Do the short shuffle.
All right now. Dearly loaded, Gordyville, Iowa. Rice, Denver.
Tractor sounding good, just got the little front end up and down a couple too many times. For the dearly devoted. And affect that distance a whole bunch. G'day, what did you say?